Hey guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be unboxing a product that was sent to us by Digital Walker, and this is the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. So just recently in-announce ito globally, and finally darating na sa Pilipinas through Digital Walker. So what do you expect from this video? Siyempre, we're going to be unboxing the Nothing Phone 2A Plus and also give you some information about where you can buy it and also pre-order kasi at the time of the production of this video, nasa pre-order period pa ang Nothing Phone 2A Plus. Of course, this is not yet our full review of the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. This is more of an overview of this new product. Alright, so without further ado, let's proceed in our unboxing. So this is now the unboxing experience. Siyempre, when you buy the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, it may not be like this, but usually you get the phone, you get a tote bag like this one from Digital Walker. So kasama ito. Kadalasan pag bumibili ka ng bagong produkto, and this is the one you're gonna be getting. Okay? It's a really nice tote bag. I have quite a number of this tote bag here at the studio kasi nga naman they usually send us some products for review. Now, apart from the tote bag, of course, you get the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. And if you want to know more about the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, you can go and check out their website at Digital Walker. And if you want to know more about the phone itself, meron ding website si Nothing. They have an official website. Okay, so ayan, so that's pretty much what you can find inside this box that they sent over. This is a special box that Digital Walker sent over to us. Now, let's go ahead and now unbox the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. Now, true to the unboxing experience of the Nothing brand or Nothing products, they have this very minimalist looking box right here, and at the back is you will find other pertinent information about the product you just purchased. You have here a QR code where you can, which when you scan, you can find all the features of the product. You get the serial number as well, you get the IMEI and the variant that you just got. And what we have right here is a gray version of the Nothing Phone 2A Plus with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of internal storage. Kailan ang manufacturing date niya? August of 2024. So last year lang. Very, very fresh. Yeah, so very fresh lang siya. And syempre, we have a pull tab right here. Nakita natin yan dati sa Nothing Phone na pinakauna, and we've done so also in the past. Si Ram has actually also reviewed some of the other Nothing phones, and right now he has a Nothing Phone 2, and we're all eagerly awaiting for the new Nothing Phone 3, which hopefully they drop within the year or before the year ends. Okay, so now let's proceed in unboxing this one. All right. Okay, so that is the outer box, and we have here, wow, embossed. This is a very unique box. It may not be much, but for phone collectors, malaking bagay yan. Yan. Welcome to Nothing. Yan. So merong message dito ang Nothing na brand. This is the phone. We'll get to this later on. And then we have here a cable. So this is a Type C to Type C cable. And similar to other Nothing smartphones that we've unboxed before, ito ay medyo may semi-transparent na ends, to Type C to Type C. Galing. You may not see all the circuitry inside the ends of the Type Cs, but at least you get a bit of that cohesive design, especially when you compare this to the other smartphones of Nothing. Okay, so let's set this aside here. And now we also have a manual right over there. And dito naman is they have a SIM ejector tool, which is also transparent. Binabalik dito ni Nothing, especially sa mga mahilig sa Game Boy generation na transparent. That's actually the first thing that came to mind when I initially unboxed the first Nothing phone. Okay, so that's pretty much everything inside the box of the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. There's no charger inside, so if you're expecting a charger, wala pong makikita sa loob, But then, at this point, very likely, if this is not your first smartphone, very likely nakabili ka na ng chargers from Momax maybe, and from other charger brands out there. Of course, I don't have any recommendations in this video, but if there's anything na pwede ko siguro, na pwede nyo makita sa Digital Walker stores, that would be Momax. And this is now the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. Okay, let's go ahead and check it out. What we have here is the gray version of the Nothing Phone 2A Plus. Kailangan mo siyang sirain. Okay. Now also keep in mind that when you purchase this one, it doesn't come with a case. No? So normally when you buy phones from Nothing, kadalasan wala yung kasamang case sa loob. No? And as you can see, wala siyang laman, no? Nakita sa loob. But you may be able to buy some cases from third-party suppliers. Now, I understand that some of you don't want to put some case on their Nothing phones because this is technically the crowning glory of Nothing phones, the design. No? Now, as you can see right here, this is the gray version of the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, and the gray part is mostly on the side of the smartphone, as you can see right here. Medyo rounded ito no, when it gets here on the back panel. Yung back panel niya is transparent, and as you can see right there. And yung camera niya is right there at the top, no? Nasa middle part siya. And if you compare it to other smartphones like this one, it's totally a different kind of design. And in terms of performance, for those of you who would really want to know more about the performance, we will be dropping the benchmark results right over here, no, in this video, para lang at least makita na ninyo. But this is not a review, no? Para sa mga nagtatanong, no, hindi po ito review. But for those of you who are really particular with the performance of this phone, then ito na, no? Kita nyo na ngayon yung pinaka-performance. But what about, no, while you're looking at the performance, what about the chipset of the Nothing Phone 2A Plus? This one is running on a MediaTek Dimensity 7350 Pro 5G processor. It's a 4nm chip, no? That is actually installed here. It's actually one of the first smartphones na may ganitong klaseng SoC. If you have the Nothing Phone 2A, no, this one is really an upgrade in terms of the camera department. Meron siyang dalawang 50 megapixel, no, sa likod, at meron din siyang 50 megapixel na selfie camera sa harap. Alright, so we just turned on the device and it's now currently setting up. But while this is setting up, I'd like to let you know about my thoughts on Nothing Phone in general. Nothing as a brand, they're trying to be different, no? in many ways. The way they're trying to tease their products, the way they're trying to launch their products. Medyo may pagka-guerrilla marketing din sila, no? And they're also, Carl Pei is even reviewing their competitors' products, which is really interesting. No? It's not something that some other brands would do, no? But that's really nice. No? They're not technically dissing the product, but they're very critical about it, and at the same time, they're also trying to pitch what their product can do against their competitors. Now, while this smartphone, wala siyang kasama na charger in the box, no? But compatible to sa 50-watt charging. Okay, this is the type of smartphone na some of you would not want to actually put a case on, kasi nga sobrang ganda niya, no? Yeah, we'll skip with the setup muna ng Google services because we're gonna do that in our full review. Okay? Skip din muna natin tong setting up a pin kasi what's important here is that we get to really see, no, yung bagong features ng kanyang software. And of course, this one is still running on, this is still pre 3.0 na Nothing OS, no? And we're kind of really waiting for that, no? As you can see it here, it's currently at Nothing OS 2.6. I've seen some, not leaks, but some beta of the Nothing OS 3.0, and there are some people who are complaining about how they kind of redesigned some of the settings. But right now, no, I'm saying that the Nothing OS has really matured already, but it already kind of achieved a level of following, no, by a lot of people, especially yung mga may gusto ng Nothing brand, no? Yeah, so meron siyang mga glyph dito, while not as much as the Nothing Phone 2 with RAM, no? At least ito meron. So pag Nothing Phone, glyph, no? Kapag ka naman CMF Phone by Nothing, those are more of like customization, no? We featured CMF Phone recently, on this channel. You can go and check it out right over here where we unbox the new CMF phone. Okay, so there is an update right here. Your system is 0 days out of date. So download and install now. So maraming mga bagong features, which is wow, 800 megabytes. So yeah, while this is updating rather, let's go check out some of the features that we have right here. Siyempre, unahin na natin yung glyph niya, yung glyph. Yeah, yung brightness ng glyph niya, kitang-kita na natin. So we have right here, this is the lowest. This is medium, then this one is high. We're gonna go with medium. Notifications, we can also set notifications like that. There. Cool, look nice. So there are 10 na glyph signals. Pero ding nothing machines, so total of 20 in total. I'll go with that. There you go. You can also save na sound only, if you don't want a glyph. But this one is very interesting phone, to begin with, and the reason why you're getting one is because of the glyph. Probably most of you would. All right, so now let's go and check out the camera features of this phone. Let's take a photo. Right over here, yan. Pwedeng i-beautify, but let's do portrait. There. Really nice, huh? F1.0 ito. Yan ang itsura niya. Malinis naman, Malinis naman kahit papano, which is very good. As for the video, you can do up to 4K 30 using the camera, You can't go beyond 4K 30, but the good thing about this is that you can shoot 4K 30 using the front camera and also the rear camera. So looks like at this particular update you cannot do more than 4K 30, which is fine. It's okay, I think, for me. Okay, so for those of you who are interested to buy the Nothing Phone 2A Plus, it's now currently on a pre-order basis until before the 27th. So if you wanna grab one, you can go and check out their stores, Digital Walker stores nationwide. And this is available for this variant, only one variant in the Philippines, for 24,990. Ito ay may 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gig of internal storage. And if you're going to buy, be sure to go to the following stores, So digital retail stores, available po ito, starting September 27. So in stores na po siya by September 27 here in the Philippines. Available din ito sa Shopee, Nothing PH Shopee, Nothing PH Lazada, and the same thing naman sa Digital Walker Shopee and Digital Walker Lazada at saka sa website ni Digital Walker. So again, if you are looking for the full review of this phone, go ahead and check it out sa website namin. Baka available na yan. But if you're watching this within 2 weeks from the date of posting this video, wala pa po yun. We usually post our full written review 2 to 3 weeks from the time we receive the unit. Okay? And sometimes it can extend, depende kung gaano ka-extensive yung review po namin. Again, this has been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. Maraming salamat sa panonood, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye!